I don't know. I have no idea why I just did that. I don't know. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Last couple of videos I told you what you needed for a lift kit. Then we installed the lift kit. Then we put the 35s on. Last part of the video, the spare tire won't fit on the stock spare tire carrier thingy majigger compartment thing. I know. I want a better one. I want a heavy duty one. I need a heavy duty one, but after buying all that crap, I'm kind of out of money. But I don't know, it looks like a good option and it only costs like 40-50 bucks. You gotta check it out. All it does is it takes your stock location and it puts an adapter and it moves it up. That way you have room for your tire. Let me show you the part we're going to install right now. Smittybilt 3721. 1, it hits the bumper, and 2, it hits the tail light. Got it from 4wheelparts.com. I don't know, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't know if it works. I don't know if it's a piece of garbage or if it's awesome. We're about to find out. First step, we're just going to take off the factory. Man, as you can see, the wife had a blowout with the stock tires. So the adjust of what this is going to do is going to mount here, and it's going to move all those holes. See where these holes are now? They're going to be here. It's going to give us clearance on the bottom. Let's go ahead and put the bolts in first. And there's a bolt pattern depending on what Jeep you have. If you have a CJ, YJ or TJ, or a JK. This is a JK we're working on today. Our pattern takes us in from the top and the bottom. It notes in the instructions that it might be a little tight to get it in there at first, but if you start in the hole and then straighten it out, it'll go right in, which was exactly the case. Take a 3/4 or a 19, either or, and give those a snug. Now you just simply put that bracket where the old one mounts. Washers, 3 nuts. That's all there is to it. Only question is, will this monster fit on there? I have no idea. I went with a 35 by 12.5, and it's got the knobby mud terrain tire, so I'm not sure. Only one way to find out. Here's your bolts. We've been over it, we can't find anything wrong with it. I would definitely recommend this product. It was only like 40, 50, 60 bucks. I can't remember exact price. Again, I got it, I think it was at 4wheelparts.com. Five-minute install. So there it is. Install went fine. The Jeep's all like done with that part. Oh man, I've got so many Jeep parts in here. I've got so many Jeep parts. So make sure you subscribe if you like these install videos, gives you something to watch or whatever. If you like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.